welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie. I hope you're doing well. This is Oban, who's being very naughty at the minute. Just let me film this video, will you? Hey? So today's video... oh, you are so cute! This is so cute! Thank you so much for joining me anyway. So if you're new, then welcome. If you are returning, then welcome back. Today's video is going to be another show and tell for my kits for my show on Tuesday. I'm on the late show on the 13th of November and it is prong setting day. So I thought I would show you what I have got in my first kit, in kit 1. So to start off with, we have got one reel of 10 meters of 0.8 gauge gold coloured silver plated round wire. We have got 20 meters of 0.4, oh no, sorry, beg my pardon. Oh, I see what I've done there. And that is 10 meters of the 0.4 gauge wire, and I've also got 4 meters, that's where I got the 4 from, of my 1 mil wire. So there's 4 meters, there's 24 meters altogether of wire. And I have got 2 prong set, these fantastic Swarovski crystals. So we've got this lovely milky one here. We've got this beautiful kind of, it looks like a colour change. I'm just going to see if I can, I don't want to risk having them out with the dog. Let's have a look and see if we can get this out. Quick. Ooh, yeah. It's like, I don't know if you can catch that, but it's got like a colour change on there. So there's like a colour change on there. It's like blues and greens and turquoises. So there's that one. And then we've got this green one. You look like you're in a mischievous mood today, Oban. And we have got this one. We've got this one just here, lovely green one. And then last but not least, we have got a lovely like cyan red. So that is kit number 1. Kit number 2 is 10 meters of 1 mil gauge antique bronze wire. So we've got 10 meters of the 1 mil. We have got 10 meters of the 8 mil. And we also have 10 meters of the 0.4 mil of our bronze, antique bronze gauge. I'll just show you all of those there. And to prong set, we have got these beautiful mookaite cabochons. So we've got one shaped like that. We've got this lovely kind of oval. This shape's really unusual. It's a fantastic unusual shape. So we've got that. That would make a great fish actually. Wire work fish. We've got another oval. And they're nicest, you know, they're a good substantial size. We've got this kind of like triangle shape. We've got the teardrop shape. So just, and look on the other side, absolutely fantastic. We've got this other kind of like teardrop shape, and we have got a diamond. Now usually with our cabochons it is carat weight you are guaranteed, not necessarily shapes. I could have a look at my other sample pack and have a look and let you know. I'll just quickly do that and then we can see if they are the same shapes. They're probably not. Let's have a look. You watch, they will be, and then I'll look like a right idiot. No, they're not. They're slightly different. Yeah, these ones are slightly different. So, so it's the carat weight, obviously, that you're getting I finished. It's the carrot weight you're guaranteed to get. So they are my 2 kits for Tuesday Late Show. I hope you can join me. I am on Sky, and I'll put all the links below and everything. It is Jewellery Maker if you're interested, and I can't wait to see you. So thank you so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, then please do subscribe. Why wouldn't you? It's free. And thank you so much for watching. You take care of yourselves, you take care of everybody else. The world is your catwalk, and keep creating!